Here we have the classic Speed Queen. These ones are commercial grade, high quality machines. The lint tray's in there. You have to open it with a screw to clean in there, but it stays clean. I've seen this same machine in apartment buildings with hundreds of tenants using the one machine. So this one in a home is going to dry your clothes super fast, super easy to clean, very good quality. Speed Queen. I've never seen one of these that wasn't working well. Next, we have a classic one over here. This one was in a really nice old lady's house, and she said she had it since 1975, and it still works better than some of the new machines. I started it up, and now I'm going to go walk outside, and you'll see that it is blowing really good. These machines work very well. Definitely a cool machine, and if you have an older dryer, keep it. Now we got another Speed Queen. I like this one in white. It really worked very well. I do this customer's house every year or so, and it's always working good. It does have a long run to the roof, but look how strong the airflow is, pulling it through. All of the fan and everything inside these machines are good quality machines. Here is a classic Sears dryer. I haven't seen too many of them that still say Sears on them. A lot of them went to Kenmore, but this one was awesome. It just had this really cool looking dial and a button, super simple to use, and it was working very well. It was really dirty, but these top lint tray dryers are super easy to clean. And now we have one that has a really cool feature, and it has a built-in drying rack. So if you want to dry something naturally on a rack, it has a built-in drying rack right there for you. Really cool one. Here we got a classic, another one. I really like that metal stripe on the bottom. A really nice classic looking dryer. Very simple. Again, simple buttons, simple controls, but works super well and will last forever. Always try to get a dryer with the lint tray up there. It makes it so much easier to clean. Look how strong the airflow is. It's completely grabbing that paper. That means that the clothes are going to dry very well. Now we have another Whirlpool. These ones are great. They always work well. This one was clogged, so I did have to clean it. And then now we have another one. I love the brushed metal look on the top of this dryer, and the airflow was working very well. And if you guys want to learn how to test if your dryer is clogged, check out this video over here.